Now, I didn't think this worked, however I found my really ancient instructions and it showed how this fits on the machine. It's not immediately obvious, but this ruffler goes on pretty easily. So you have to, I'll raise the needle bar up. So you put that little hook thing over the needle bar, then you unscrew that screw here and you push this in there. It's better to have that up so you can wiggle this over, and then you just screw it in. So it's remarkably easy to put on. And then to adjust the amount of the depth of the ruffle, if you increase that all the way, then you get a huge ruffle. That's a little more than I want. So it was better before with a little less. And it works really well, as you can see. This is quite thick cotton. I'll reduce that a bit. What you can see is it gives a really nice ruffle. And it's super smooth and super easy to use. That was my first setting there, so you can see how perfectly ruffled that is. And it allows, it's got the extra feeding slices, so you can do a layer underneath and a layer over top and ruffle and sew together with a ruffle in between. So it does everything you'd expect at a ruffler, and I really like it. This is quite a beautiful attachment, actually. I have quite a few other seaming and a pin tucker as well. I've got the pin tucker. And I've got the edge gauge. These ones all screw on the bed. These all screw on the bed. That was the only one I have which doesn't. And the one thing I am still keeping my eye out for is there is a 2-thread embroidery attachment for this machine, but I have never seen one except in the drawings. And it'd be fun if I ever happen upon one. It'll be quite cool to get that. But as far as using this attachment, I'll double ruffle this time. I'll just release this up. Slide the fabric under there. Oops, what did I just fling off? Let's find out what that's from. And then off we go. So we're getting a double ruffle now. Snip. You see we got another double ruffle, which is pretty fun. So I like that attachment a lot. I just need to figure out what this little clippy thing's from. Anyway, bye for now.